Andy covered the live bait situations. You know, the big chubs, standard for fall. Jig and a minnow, standard for fall. And you got to have them because there are days where that basically is going to be the presentation that catches fish. The other two presentations that I really love in the fall, and I never go on the water without, are shiver minnow. It's still a good reaction bait. It's a bait that helps trigger bites. Okay, you're moving it pretty fast. Sometimes natural presentation won't trigger those bites where the shiver will. Then there's this last bait that I want to show you. It's almost like a hybrid style bait, and the bait itself is very cool. It's shaped like a minnow, okay, but yet it has an action that is a darting action unlike anything you've really seen before. This bait here is called a finisher. It's a jerk style bait, only you twitch it very small twitches, real small twitches. The difference is it sinks, and you can work this and hover it over the fish really easy. You can work it all the way down to the bottom. This is the small size number 7. And so the bait itself comes in 3 sizes. You've got a size 9, you've got the size 7, and these hooks are extremely sharp. And then you've got the smaller little size 5, which I think is going to be the ticket for ice fishing. So it's definitely something that you want to put in your repertoire. It's something that right now I'm casting, you know, a lot of during this show.